Introducing the next evolution in automotive diagnostics, the Autel MaxiSYS Ultra S2. Featuring a 13.7-inch HD anti-glare display, 512 gigabytes of storage, and a lightning-fast 8-core processor for unmatched performance. The upgraded 6-in-1 VCMI2 enables advanced vehicle communication and measurement. A fully adjustable bracket with 90 and 180-degree positioning for handheld, kickstand, or steering wheel use.
Hey Max.
Meet Max, your hands-free virtual assistant for voice-controlled navigation and diagnostics.
Closing a passenger power window function. Activate.
Enhanced OE-style topology. Dynamic network analysis for the ultimate diagnostic experience. Locate and directly ping ECUs to test signal quality and network integrity. Data-driven diagnostics. Enhanced PID analysis for deeper insights. Real-time, split-screen analysis. Access the oscilloscope directly from the live data screen. Store, maintain, and share all pre- and post-scans, reports, and recorded live data on the Autel Cloud. AI-powered vehicle inspection. Instantly detect dents and scratches. Analyze damage. Track maintenance. And boost customer satisfaction. Autel MaxiSYS Ultra S2, another leap forward.